Nakajing berthan ba Arden Miller Basaimoy, President ka Voice of the People Party, but MLA ka Nongkrem, ban penlong nakajing ki pajba la sorkar kampen pau partai ka Kaiphod ka Export Committee Halor Reservation Policy, kala penlong yu Konrad ki sangma, menteri rong ba ka jela, ban ong basyan an pelaj pajba no ika. Haba pente bi kani skilat partai kubor, ha janmit kartnai terik una pra arja opsan, menteri rong ba ulang ba ka Kaiphod kalong ka bakhia kamba ars pa kilo ye, ba ka badon kamba sana jar sla. Bakumta amla ban pelaj pajba klem da yet benia bahaswa ika. Ulaong bay kani Kaiphod lawan raru hikali ki Kyrpang ban hab ban kmi benia bin pabin kena bukan omdan kanu kecing bakla bat benrap basyan sa pelaj pajba no ika.
It will be made public. As I said, it's a huge, it's 200 kgs of report. That's like 4,000 or 5,000 pages. It is, and one has to go through every single word because even a comma can change the meaning of the report or the meaning of that line. So therefore it would be wrong for us simply just to say we'll read the conclusion and that's it. It's not like that. It's not so simple. It's huge. As I said, it's a bulk. We had to send a special vehicle to get the report back because we couldn't bring it in the flight also because it was so big. So as I said, so 200 kgs of paperwork. The chief secretary and the other officials had to go through every line, every page, and it was a very, very big task. And of course they have finished it. They are going to submit it and show it to the cabinet. And of course, as soon as they give it to us, we will be making it public. There's no question of not making it public. This is a matter of great importance to the people, and the people should know what's there in the report. And we will be definitely sharing it. But as I said, you have to be realistic about the fact that that being a sensitive matter, the officials cannot just simply ignore even a single page or even a single word. They had to go through every single bit of it, and that's why it took some time. But they are ready now, so I think very soon we should be making it public.
Habatin, page bahagi kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Wanrah Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.